How to drive customer-centric products in today's market. Successful products know and rank customer needs. As a Certified Scrum Product Owner, CSPO, your role is key. You must ensure the product meets customer expectations and maximizes business value. Driving customer-centric products requires a blend of empathy, strategic thinking, and agile practices. Understanding customer needs through research and empathy. Customer research. Use surveys and interviews to learn customers' preferences and pain points. Leverage data analytics to understand patterns in customer interactions and feedback. Continuous feedback loop. Establish a continuous feedback loop with customers. Engage with them often. Use product demos, beta tests, and surveys. This will refine your product vision to align with customer needs. Defining a customer-centric product vision and strategy. Product vision statement. Create a strong vision statement. It must show the value to customers. This vision should be concise, inspiring, and customer-focused. Stakeholder collaboration. Work with key stakeholders, including customers, sales, marketing, and dev teams. This will ensure that the product strategy is holistic and customer-focused. Building and managing a customer-focused product backlog. Customer-driven user stories. Write user stories that reflect customer needs and perspectives. As a small business owner, I want to create monthly financial reports with ease. They will help me track my expenses. Prioritization techniques. Use Moscow, RICE, or value-based ranking to rank the backlog. RICE means reach, impact, confidence, and effort. Measuring customer success and adjusting product strategies. Set customer-focused KPIs. Define KPIs that reflect customer satisfaction and success. Examples are the Customer Satisfaction Score, CSAT, and the Customer Effort Score, CES. Also, feature adoption rates. Collect customer feedback. Use channels like NPS surveys and support tickets. They provide insights into customer satisfaction and product performance. As a CSPO, I drive customer-centric products. It is a cycle. It involves understanding customer needs, setting a product vision, and managing a backlog. It also involves working with dev teams and measuring success. A CSPO can, with empathy and flexibility, lead product development. This will create market-leading products that deliver great value to customers.